Okay, grade 2. So for grammar, you need your G3 page in front of you. Before we start to do anything, turn it around, write your name at the back, and flip it back. Okay. Now, this says using irregular pronouns. Now plural nouns. Now we like to call them tricky, simply because that's an easier word to remember. Grade 2, these ones, I know that you have the rules page. Now that is the general rules page. That's how it normally works. But almost in anything in life, you are going to find that there are exceptions. There are a few things that do not follow the rules. And these words are some of them. So I'm going to go through them with you, and we are going to repeat them, and you will just have to remember that, because these aren't the type of things that you can go study. These are the type of things that you learn and through doing and using them. Okay, and then they just stick in your brain and you know it forever. Okay, so they say complete the sentences with the plural form of the word in brackets. Plural means more than one. So, it says, number 1. Sorry, I'm just quickly checking something. Okay, so number 1. The knife go beside the spoons. Now, this one is one of the rules. Because what was the rule for if it ends in a f or in a f-e? It changes to what? Let's see if you can remember. It changes to v-e-s. So that falls away and it becomes the knives go beside the spoons. The knives. So if there's a f or a f-e, it falls away and it becomes a v-e-s. Okay, that was one of the rules. Number 2, this was also in the rules. There are so many fish in this pond. What is the plural for fish? The plural for fish is fish. Remember, I know that it ends in a sh, and the rule says that we must then add a s. But in that page where it told us about the rules, it said some words do not change, like fish and sheep. They do not change. There's another one that doesn't change, but we're going to get to that. Okay, so fish, you don't say fishes, you keep it as fish. Look, there are so many fish in this pond. Number 3, the goose flew south for winter. Now this tends to happen a lot when there's a oo, then it suddenly becomes a e, okay? Not for all of them. So please don't take that as a rule. Not all oo words become e words, but this one does. The geese flew south for winter. The geese. Number 4, the women went shopping. Do you remember yesterday? Was it yesterday when we did that? Or the day before that? No, I think it was yesterday. When we did the one for men, where we said man becomes men. Well, we just add the w or at the front. So, the women. But you don't say women. You say the women went shopping. Women. Number 5, don't water the cactus too much. If there's more than one cactus, this is one of the strange ones that we didn't talk about. I don't know if it's this way with all words, because I see another one on here that's going to act the same. This one has us at the back. No, it doesn't work that way for all of them. This is also a special situation. Cactus, the us will fall away and be replaced with a e. So don't water the cacti too much. Don't water the cacti too much. Number 6, 2 ox are needed to pull the cart. Okay, there's no other rule like this one. I'm just going to be straight up with you about that. This one is a special situation that you are just going to have to remember. Ox becomes oxen. Nobody knows why, but that's the way the English language works sometimes. So 2 oxen are needed to pull the cart. Oxen. Number 7, brush your tooth before bed. Just like with goose, that became geese, tooth will become teeth. Brush your teeth before bed. 1 tooth, 2 teeth. Number 8, I think there are mouse in the barn. Now, I feel like you guys must know this one. I'm still going to help you with it, but I feel like you must know this one. 1 mouse, 2 mice. Mice. All of a sudden it looks completely different. Just one thing that I want to mention, not all words that have an ow in the middle become ice. For example, house becomes houses. Oh, houses. Not ice. Okay, that's not a word. Number 9, look at the deer in the field. This is like fish and like sheep. Deer stays the same. Look at the deer in the field. Number 10, those are interesting. Fungus. Fungus and cactus act the same. The us falls away and it becomes an e. So we say those are interesting. Fungi. Fungi, actually, to be honest. Okay, so 1 knife, 2. I want you guys to say this part with me. Okay, let's read it together. 1 knife, 2 knives. 1 fish, 2 fish. 1 goose, 2 geese. 1 woman, 2 women. Okay, that sounds exactly the same, but you guys know that it's spelled differently, okay? Number 5, 1 cactus, 2 cacti. 1 ox, 2 oxen. 1 tooth, 2 teeth. 1 mouse, 2 mice. 1 deer, 2 deer. 1 fungus, 2 fungi. Fungi, I don't know which one it is. I think you can say it either way, but I think I've heard fungi more. Fungi. No, I've heard fungi more. But yeah. Okay, now that this is done, let's move on to our maths.